Oh, what are you doing?
I'm going to show you how to find a paint code on this BMW.
Right on, let's do it.
That is not how you find a paint code on a BMW. Now we're really going to show you how to find a paint code on a BMW. Find the hood latch, release. Sometimes your paint code can be located on the hood or in the firewall. In most cases, the paint code on a BMW is located on an identification sticker on either pillar, and it'll say metallic something. I mean, it's in German. You guys get the point. So it will be this number here. Our mission at Ready Car Parts is to help do-it-yourselfers and car enthusiasts get the job done by making auto body simple, professional, and affordable.